Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have so many subscription boxes, unboxings to go through. I know I usually do like a Boxycharm video, Sephora Play box video, but I literally have so many. I figured I would just put them all in one video. I have Boxycharm, Sephora Play, I have Walmart, I have Sonia Kashuk, and I also have the new Ricky's Cult subscription. So we're gonna get all into all of those. So yeah, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So the first one we're going to start with is my personal favorite. It's Boxycharm. This is, all of these are May boxes. None of them are past May. So the first one is Boxycharm. So if you're not sure what kind of subscription boxes these all are, they are all beauty subscription boxes. So all of it is makeup and beauty items. So yeah, my favorite one is Boxy. I want to apologize if my voice sounds a little raspy. I have a little bit of a cold. So my personal favorite is Boxycharm. It is $21 a month. It is a little pricey for a subscription box, but you get always 5 full items, sometimes 6, and they're always full size items. And you get some high-end brands, like you get MAC Cosmetics, you get Tarte sometimes, you get, it's just a range of things. So that's why Boxycharm's my personal favorite. Sometimes the $10 ones, like the sample size you get, aren't really worth it. So I do think it's worth $21 to get all full size items. It's my personal favorite. If I were to ever cancel any subscription boxes, it would never be Boxycharm. So the first thing I see in here, of course, is a high-end brand. It is by Cover FX, and it is their blurring primer. I actually heard great things about this, so I'm kind of excited we received it. The next thing we received is by Pretty Vulgar, and it is their black gel eyeliner, and there's so much product in there. So I think it's best for me not to open every single item so that we get through this video pretty fast. It's by Aesthetica, and it is their 3-piece eye trio. So it comes with all these eye brushes. I know a lot of people use some of these brushes for the Pretty Vulgar black gel liner. And this retails for $45. The gel liner retails for $24, and then the Cover FX retails for $38. It always comes with a cute little card, and it tells you all the retail prices and what exactly each product is. By Pure Cosmetics, and it is their contour palette. Ooh. 2 highlighters, these are highlighters, and then 2 contour shades. So that is pretty great. And then we also got a lip gloss by Hand Skin that retails for $15. And I'm going to be honest, I don't know where it is. I remember seeing it and then I lost it. So yeah, we get a lip gloss as well. So all that retails for $21, and that's pretty great in my... Also, make sure you are subscribed, because a lot of these products in these, I don't actually use all of it. It is a lot of makeup. I just love subscriptions. So I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway, so make sure you are subscribed, because it will only be posted here. The next one we will do Sephora Play. I did not like last month's box. I honestly just haven't been liking Play. I think I'm going to be canceling this one. This one is by Sephora. It is $10 a month, and you get 5 sample sizes. And when they say sample, they mean sample. So, and then you always get a perfume. I just throw them out. So the first thing in here we got by Professional, their Benefit blurring primer. Like, that is so tiny, but that's what we got. Got Boxy mascara. Yeah, so it's actually a pretty good size. It's not that bad. I kind of like it. Then we got a Sephora mask. Then we got Bare Minerals Mineral Veil powder. I think it's a setting powder. It was a CC cream, but it's a leave-in hair conditioner. And it always comes with like a flyer. Lets you know everything you got. The next box is by Walmart Beauty. I have actually never did an unboxing video for this subscription, just because I forget. But Walmart Beauty Box is actually pretty cool. It's $5 for every season, so you only get 4 of them a year. So it's 20 bucks for the year for 4 boxes basically. And sometimes we actually get some full-size items. They're pretty cool actually. So yeah, it's $5 with the shipping, of course. And yeah, it's actually pretty cool. I honestly like this one more than my Sephora play. So the first thing we got was a bath bomb, which are like so popular these days. Then we got this soft soap body wash, which is pretty cute. I'll probably take that on vacation with me. Then we got a Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. Again, I'll probably take this on vacation with me too. Then we got Hello. It's a sensitivity relief fluoride toothpaste, which is actually a really good brand. Vacation. Then we got this sleeping mask. It is to brighten and renew. It's an overnight mask. We got this White Blends hair sample. It comes with shampoo and conditioner. The rest of this stuff is just a whole bunch of coupons, and the coupons are actually pretty cool. So yeah, all that was only $5, and I think that's pretty cool because I'm going to be using all of this stuff. So that, I think, in my opinion, is then. The next subscription box is by Sonia Kashuk, and it's actually through Target. So I've been following this account called Subscription Addiction that basically feeds my subscription addiction, and they always post when Target has their beauty boxes available. So Target, they do have a beauty box, but it's not a subscription. You have to try to get it when it first comes out, since they do sell out pretty quickly. And she posted that Target was also having one from Sonia Kashuk, and I was really excited because Sonia Kashuk is a pretty good brand. And the Target one really wasn't appeasing to me. Sometimes she does post what the products are going to be in it, and it really wasn't appeasing to me. The Sonia Kashuk was kind of, and I wanted to give it a try. So again, this is a beauty box, but it's not a subscription. It does not come every month. I paid $14.99 for this, I think, or $12.99. It was nothing under $15. This is the first time I've ever seen it, and I've been following Subscription Addiction for years, which means this is probably their first one they ever came out with, I'm assuming. So I definitely hopped on to that real quick, and yeah, let's just get into it. The first thing in here is their Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. I mean, not Beauty Blender, it's called a Makeup Blender. I always call sponges Beauty Blenders for some reason. And it's a black and white, kind of looks a little marble-ish. Really cute. The next thing we got was an angled eyeshadow brush, which I've heard that their brushes are like amazing. The next thing is a tweezer, which I actually said I needed new tweezers, so I'm really glad I did get this. And it's gold, it's really pretty. The next thing we got were 3 little packets. It's their Quick Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. Oops, wrong way. Quick Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. I wonder if it really works. It is a blush brush. Oh my gosh. And the bottom of it is just a gorgeous gold. Then I opened the eyeshadow brush as well. I feel like the blush brush looks a little small. Box was $14.99, and it's pretty cool. And the last one is Ricky's Cult Crushes Beauty Box. I paid $9.99 for this, but I recently heard from Subscription Addiction that they are going up to $14.99 in June. I feel like I was like tricked a little to sign up, and then they raised their prices. I did see previous boxes, and some of them were like pretty cool. You got like House of Lashes, you got the Balm, like those little eyeshadow palettes. There was like some pretty great things, so I was kind of expecting that. I didn't really receive that, but I mean, again, subscription box varies between months, of course. It's called Sculpt and Blend Mini 2-3 Brush Set by BH Cosmetics. I do use BH Cosmetics products, makeups, brushes, so that's pretty exciting. The next thing is by Bioderma. It is their makeup remover. I actually use Clinique the Balm. I really don't like liquids. I feel like they tug too much on my eyes, but maybe I'll add it in a giveaway. The next thing was by Pure Paw Ointment. An ointment for what? It says grape. Save your skin as it soothes and smooths. Smells good, but I don't really use lotion like that, to be honest. Used for dry. Oh, it's for lips. I thought it was a lotion. It is a topical ointment used for dry, chapped, cracked lips, and soothe. I never really have dry lips, so I will apply this to my giveaway. It is a liquid glow from J-Cat Beauty, and it's their liquid highlighter. Well, that's really pretty. It is like a rose gold. That looks gorgeous. It is basically like a soap bar for like your makeup area to clean the area and stuff, but it smells really bad. I don't even want to put this in the giveaway, so I'm just throwing it out. And yeah, so that was $9.99 for all those products, and they are rating it's $14.99. I personally don't think these products are worth $15, but every month is different, so who knows what we'll get next month. I think I will give it a try. I think I'll give it another month's try, and I'll probably make a video and let you know my final thoughts on it. Yeah, we just went through 5 beauty subscription boxes, or 5 beauty boxes, and we got some pretty good stuff. Like I said, I'm not going to be using all this makeup, but because it is a lot of makeup, so I'm definitely going to be putting it in my huge giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So make sure you're subscribed so you can enter. It's going to have a bunch of things such as Tarte, Jaclyn Hill, maybe a whole bunch of stuff. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.